Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Grayson County in north central Texas, eastern Denton County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas until 10:45 p.m. At 9:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Shady Shores on New Lake Dallas, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. Siding entries. Locations impacted include Plano, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Olney, Coppell, Sherman, The Colony, Sac City, Corinth, Highland Village, Lake Dallas, Lake Louisville, Little Elm, and Murphy. This includes Interstate 35 east between mile markers 446 and 460. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.